What's up everyone, welcome back, or if you're new, welcome to EightyFive TheRide. Today is our first EightyFive TheRide motorcycle group ride held here in Cameron Park, New South Wales, Australia. Since starting the channel I've met a huge variety of people, rode with many different groups, and from that was inspired to start my own. This really showed on the day. I think we had around 15 bikes rock up, including an LNP plater, but all around just an awesome variety of motorcycles. So there were a lot of people that unfortunately couldn't make it to the ride, that pulled out last minute, mostly because of the heat wave we were experiencing that weekend, which I believe hit around the 40-degree mark here in Australia. So I think that's about 104 degrees Fahrenheit for you guys that are overseas. So yeah, it was a bloody warm one to say the least. But I got to meet some new faces, catch up with some regulars that I've ridden with in the past. And again, just an all-around awesome turnout. So we started off the day by meeting at the Servo in Cameron Park, New South Wales, right next to our finishing destination, being the brand new Harrigan's in Cameron Park that only opened up a month ago. I chose a short 2-hour loop for this one, with a bit of something for everyone. Some open road through scenic bush and countryside, a partial ride around Lake Macquarie, before heading into Newcastle for a lap around the beaches, and a stop to regroup and have a bit of a stretch. Thankfully, even being a Sunday and heading into such high traffic areas, the group was never split up and it was just surprisingly a very smooth run. So all in all, this was an awesome day. I'm really stoked with how it turned out, as I've said. I'd just like to thank Harrigan's Cameron Park for not only having us, but setting aside some room for us to set up a merch store. My partner, family and friends, everyone that helped set up and make the day possible. We'll be definitely doing this again next year. So if you're not already, follow us on Facebook to keep up to date with future rides. I'll be definitely posting something within the next week or so to organise a ride for early next year. So keep an eye out, everyone, and I'll catch us all on the next one. Cheers.